Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp curry Kerala style. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, ready for cooking. We'll also use 1 cup of thick coconut milk and 1/2 cup of thin coconut milk for that authentic creamy texture. Don't forget your essential spices: turmeric, chili powder, coriander, and a pinch of fenugreek. These simple ingredients are the foundation of our delicious curry. Now let's build the flavor base for our curry. Heat about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few sprigs of fresh curry leaves. They'll sizzle beautifully. Next, toss in your sliced shallots and sauté them until they become wonderfully golden brown and fragrant. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking for about 1 minute until aromatic. This step creates a fantastic foundation. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to add the spices and liquids. Reduce the heat to low and stir in your turmeric, chili powder, and coriander powder, cooking for about 30 seconds to toast them. Then, pour in the 1/2 cup of thin coconut milk, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Once simmering, add your prepared shrimp. Cook the shrimp for just 3 to 5 minutes or until they turn pink and are cooked through. Overcooking will make them tough, so watch them closely. For the grand finale, let's add the richness. Gently stir in the 1 cup of thick coconut milk and a couple of slit green chilies for a subtle kick. It's crucial not to boil the curry after adding the thick coconut milk, as it can curdle. Just heat it through for about 1 minute. Taste and adjust the salt as needed. Garnish with a few fresh curry leaves. Your easy Kerala-style shrimp curry is now ready to be enjoyed with steamed rice or fluffy appam. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.